Hi everyone, it's Cindy. I wanted to do a little project with you today. I'm working on a little detail for a journal that I'm working on, my ornithology journal. I think the last video I showed you was these bird tabs that I made. So I had one little bird left over and I wanted to make something that's also another tab, kind of, well, not kind of, it is a tab, also for my bird, but it's a tab that will go in the top of the journal. So it's the second of our tab projects. So the first thing that I would like to do is just cut out our bird real quick here. And I'm going to keep just a little tiny bit of that stump there. I'm having so much fun with this journal. I've just been kind of playing with little details here and there. It's kind of in the vein of my commonplace books that I like making with random kind of things, but it's got a bird, you know, overtone, which is fun. So then we'll glue the bird down. And then we want to just cut out the bird, but like not completely. Leave a little bit of white space because that's going to protect these little feet. If we cut absolutely up to the bird, then it will weaken it at the feet and the tail. So that way if you leave a little bit all around the bird, it looks more intentional and uniform. It's a design element rather than, oh, you know, she was too lazy to cut the feet out or something, right? That's not true. I have cut out many a bird foot. So then we will ink around the bird. Okay. Then we want to also ink on the back. Again, just bringing kind of continuity. You could also back two birds together and leave a little extra space if you wanted to. So then I've got this bit of scrap here, and I've got this bit of book spine. So what I want to do is create my tab with that. So I need to decide how tall I want it to be. I think this needs to just get cut down just a little bit. It's kind of big. Then I'm going to rough it up a little with my scissors on the edge, just because it's just so perfect. Okay, so now we have this. Then this is perfect as it is, and I think what I want to do is just go to the sewing machine and add a couple lines of stitching, so I will be right back. Alright, so we have done some stitching. I'm using black thread because I really want it to stick out and stand out, so I'm just going to clip it a little short but leave some there. And then the other cool thing about this is this color is what I backed the other tabs with, and also the black thread, book spine, all that goes with the other birds that I created for this. So now what we're going to do is fold this into a tab, right? So I need to do a couple things. I need 2 eyelets. I'm going to use, if possible, these smaller ones. And I need this. So we'll poke a hole in the bird, like just kind of, you know, in the middle of the bird, and put your eyelet in. Oh, and I have to switch my setter here. Switch the base and the top. Okay. Oops. There we go. Some mush. Okay, that's on. And then this one, same thing, but we're going to just punch right through like the middle here, at the bottom, right there. And then put this eyelet in here, and then just set it, same thing. Good. Then I've got a little bit of, we'll use green embroidery floss. And I will plunk it through my bird. I'm just going to double it over and put it in so I can make like a slip knot. Then once it's slip knotted in, tie this a couple times just to secure it. Then same thing up here. Push this whole thing through. And then just decide on how long you want your bird to hang down, because that's how this tab's going to work. The bird's just going to hang down. Okay, and then once you figure that out, leave that length and then take the rest and just hold it like that so it opens the hole up again. And then try to just twist it a little, the leftover, to poke it through one more time. So you've got like 2 revolutions of it going in there. So then you're going to have this one bit here, like that. Okay, so now there's two pieces. So then you're going to come back over here and use your thread to tie. Don't use your bird length. Use your extra length to do all the work, all the tying. So then you've got that, and then cut off this piece. Leave about like a little bit, right? Because you want to have a little bit there. Now we've got this as a tab, okay? So let me show you how it's going to work. So first I'll show you how it matches the aesthetic of the other tabs. So see, it matches these really nicely. Now we'll choose one of the signatures, maybe, that does not have one of those tabs. This one. Because it's just plain here. We have no tab. I need to put my numbers on these so they don't get all out of whack, but that's okay. So we'll choose to put it here. I'm going to take art glitter glue. Whoops. We're just going to cover that whole inside. Okay. And then I'll come right in the middle here, and I want the bird hanging on this side, as so. And we're going to lose just a tiny bit of it. There. Here we go. Okay. Just press, press, press. Get that all secured, and then you got this little ding dong hanging around here. I think that is very cute, right? It's just a sweet little way to make your page a little more interesting. So then the back looks like that. It's got those nice loops there and the threads and everything. So yeah, that's my little tiny project for today that I wanted to share with you. I guess I'm showing you some different tab ideas as a bird journal kind of project. It just all serendipitously happened that way. So here you'll see what the profile is going to look like. We're going to have this tab here now. So all tabs are happening. It's good. So thanks for hanging out with me for this little teeny project. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.